Hello children, we continue the chapter Web Diaries. Page number 40, last paragraph. Today, blogging is immensely popular. People seem to love reading personal stories on the topics they are interested in. Why is that? In some cases, it gives readers a sense of community. Though only the blogger is contributing to the blog, a reader can leave a comment. This often becomes a discussion with the blogger and other readers. It's always nice to discuss common interests, whether in person or online. Imagine you love Star Wars, but none of your friends do. However, you find a cool blog that discusses news about the upcoming movie and shares stories about the old ones. Wouldn't you love to read that? It would give you the chance to discuss a topic you love with other people who love it too. So, if I say that this paragraph tells us that blog is a place to meet like-minded people, the people who are just like you, whose thoughts matches with your thoughts. So this is why when a blogger starts a blog, the readers come get interested in their story also. It is not that to start a blog you need some very big topic. You can start a blog on your personal life too. The person who will read the blog, they might see that you are their friend. They may find some connection between your blog and their life. So this is how readers come, see the blog and get interested in it. And in blog there is places to leave comment also. Right now you are watching my video. Some of you may like it and some of you may have some doubts. What you can do? You can write your comment. You can leave your comment like, ma'am, I understood the chapter, or ma'am, I have doubt in this line, or what is the meaning of this word? So these are what a comment means. Similarly, a blog also have place to comment. So whoever reader see the blog, what they are interested in, they can write there. We come to page number 41. Some people read blogs that remind them of their own lives. It's good to know someone out there going through the same things you experienced. Some other may read blogs because they haven't experienced what the blogger has. Not everyone can be an astronaut, but following an astronaut's blog might give you some insight into what it takes and what the daily life of an astronaut looks like. Sometimes people follow a blog simply because they think the writer is funny or shares sensible wisdom. Just like there are many types of blogs, there are many different reasons to follow one. As there are many types of blogs, similarly there are many ways or many reasons to like a blog. Some people like to read blogs because they find some coincidence between the blog and their own life. They find that what they have experienced they can read there. On the other hand, some people read blogs because they haven't experienced the things what are written in the blog. Some people like the blog because they find the blog funny. But some like the blog because they are sensible. So we cannot find out the exact reason of a blog's popularity. We just know that whoever writes the blog with sincerity, they get for popularity. Next paragraph. Since blogging has become so big, many large companies have started blogs along with their official websites. These blogs are maintained by a person who is on the social media team of the company. Social media includes websites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr, where users can create or share content. They provide an opportunity to interact with people near and far. A social media team manages a company's online presence. This has become a great way for large corporations to receive feedback from the public. It also a good way to generate goodwill among customers. So, what does a company blog look like? That again depends on the company. It could just cover the big events in the company's year, or it could be more detailed or personal. A look at employees, for example, and what they contribute to their teams. As is always the case in blogging, there aren't any strict guidelines to follow. So throughout the chapter, we are reading that blog has no basic guidelines to follow. There is no strictness in it. A person can write a blog as he likes. He can use pictures in it. He can use stories. He can write long stories or some personal records. So there can be anything in a blog, and as blog has become very popular, so not only person but companies are also interested in making blogs. Companies also write their blog. So it is written by or the blog is maintained by a person of the company who is using social media. Some of the companies have their social media team who interact through Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and there are many more names through which they can interact with the common people and they can influence the people through that social media. A blog has become a good way of generating goodwill among customers. Goodwill means a good relation between a company and customer. So if the customer will know much about the company, they will be more interested in buying or getting service from that company. So this is how blog has very large number of benefits. Turn your page to page 42. After reading all these, I am sure you have become interested in starting a blog. So let's see what you need to do for it. How does one go about starting a blog? First, choose a blog host, the website you will use as your blogging platform. If you aren't starting a professional blog, it's best to choose a free blog host. Popular ones include WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger. Once you have chosen that, you are nearly there. Signing up for an account on these sites is not too different from signing up for any site. Set up your account and pick a blog name. Your blog name should say a little about your blog. For example, if you are blogging about science fiction and your name is, say, Sally, maybe your blog name could be Sci-Fi Sal. Your URL, the address of your website, will look different depending on which hosting site you choose. For instance, if you have chosen WordPress, it will look something like this: www.sciencefaisal.wordpress.com. Usually, unpaid blogging sites require users to stick to a certain template. Though there are many to choose from, it does limit your design options. Paid blog hosts do not usually have fixed templates. They allow the user to lot more freedom in terms of presentation. Besides this, the blog host name will not be part of your URL. So if you are going to be the new blog, this paragraph is very useful to you. This tells you how to start the blog. You have to first find out one free blogging platform. That can be WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger. You have to go there, sign up, means you have to make your own account, and then you can start blogging from there. There is a word used, URL. URL is address of the website. As we live in a house and that house is our address, similarly, the place, the platform from where you will blog, that place is called as URL. When you make your account, and there is one example already given, suppose your name is Sally and your blog is related to science fiction. So what you can do, add both of them, your topic and your name. So it has become Science Fi Sal. This can be the name of your blog. Your blog's name should represent what the things the reader is going to get in it. Another word used here is template. Template is a kind of design or pattern which beautifies your blog. Next paragraph. Besides earning, are there any benefits of blogging? If used correctly, a blog can definitely be a good thing. It can help improve your writing, internet, and technical skills. Since you are controlling how the content is displayed on your blog, it can also help develop design skills. What's more, blogging is a great way to improve on communication skills, especially if your blog leads to a healthy discussion about a particular topic. There are, however, certain points to remember if you are blogging. The internet is a vast place, and while that may be wonderful, it can also be dangerous. To stay safe, make sure you never put your home or school address on your blog. In fact, the personal details you share should be minimal. Mentions of where you live, your school's name, even your full name are a no-no. So children, this paragraph tells us if we are going to start a blog, we have to be very safe there. What we need to do? We should not share our personal details like our address, our full name, and the things that a stranger should not know. So this is why the last line says even your full name are a no-no, means it is a strict direction to you that you should never tell or share your personal things in the social media. We are moving toward the end of the chapter. It's also safer to avoid posting photos that could give some clue to where you live or where you regularly hang out. The best way to make sure unwanted people can't access your information is to keep your blog private. Find the blogging host's privacy or safety settings. Then choose the option which allows only people you have approved to read your blog post. Remember, it's no point allowing just about anybody. Make sure you know and trust the person first. Blogs are great, but safety is the most important thing. Once you have got your blog set up, you can let your imagination run wild. Blogs are a great way to get your writing out into the world, and with the right audience, you might just find that you thrive. Dear children, blogging is wonderful thing. It has many benefits. As a student, if you start blogging, you can get many benefits of it, like improvement in your writing skill. You will have good communication skill. You will improve your imagination. But on the other hand, if you are not aware of privacy, If you allow anybody can come and see your blog, then you might get in trouble. So whenever you start blogging, surely see the setting and have privacy and safety settings in your blog. Then only start blogging. And then let your imagination run wild. Means your imagination will have no limit. You can write on different topics. You can use different kind of writing skills to get popularity and success. The chapter finishes here. In the next video, you will get the question answers. Thank you.